Hello friends, welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. Welcome back to the channel. Out here at the off-grid cabin for the moment. This is Friday, October 21st, or Saturday, October 21st. I have had a really busy couple of weeks, so there hasn't been any videos to speak of. I've just been busy. It ain't been YouTube type busy. Although it's a pretty nice day. It's rained a bit. We've had quite a bit of rain. And I want to bring you up to date on what's been happening out here at St. Bernard Acres. You can definitely see fall is in the air. Leaves are falling for sure. Man, what a mess it makes. And I've heard 200 different reasons why you leave all the leaves on the ground, and 200 reasons why you need to have all the leaves mulched up and picked up and all that. So I don't know, what's your opinion? Do you leave your leaves on the ground or do you rake them up? Let me show you what's going on the electric front. Oh, I actually found a new camper shell for the truck for this year and model of truck. I'm gonna have to paint it, but it is really nice. The clear coat, obviously, on like everything came off, but I'm gonna paint it to match the truck. But yeah, I could not believe I found one that was this year truck. Oh man, and in great shape. I really like it. Got all the screens, all the lights, the locks work. Yeah, it's in awesome shape. I'm gonna like it. But for $125, these things are $2,500 new. And now I'm not hauling nearly as much stuff as I was. You know, I got the trailer just in case. But yeah, that's gonna be nice once I paint it. I needed one of those. Now I can have a bug out vehicle. Let me show you what's going on with the electrification of the cabin and St. Bernard Acres. I did all the trenching, it's all done, all the lines are buried. All the PVC's buried. They came out Friday. Now one thing, hopefully the wind isn't too bad, that you will learn about moving out in the country. Nothing moves fast in the country. And they ain't the most communicating people. So just be aware of that if you think you're going to get some kind of quick reaction out of people. It don't happen out here in the boonies, I don't think. Because I finished up 2 weeks ago my part. And I saw they were out here yesterday. They were supposed to call me and tell me when they were going to do this so I could come out here, but they didn't. I just happened to see it on the camera. Well, I got a pine tree growing there. Look at that. How cool is that? There's a Christmas tree. I think I'll leave that thing alone. I didn't know I had one. Anyway, duh. What's that? Idaho Hillbilly says squirrel. So you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see, inside this meter are the wires. Everything is hooked up. You can see them in there. There's no meter on here. But they have done all of their wiring from this ground transformer that I had to have put in. So that's all done. And all of their wire coming down through this trail. I'll walk you up through there and show you what I had to go through. but it worked. They got all their wires hooked up. They got all my wires hooked up. Everything is approved. But I'll show you why I don't have a meter yet. I was kind of hoping they'd come out today and bring a meter. But that's a big old ground transformer. And the reason I had to have this, what this does, it takes sorry, I was reading. They will not guarantee 200 amp service over 150 feet. Well, I'm 280 feet from that pole. So what they had to do is bring their high voltage line down here. They bring the high voltage line down to this transformer, and what this transformer does is convert it to 200 amps and sends it to the meter base. So that's why you have to have transformers. It doesn't, you know, it's for transmitting high voltage and then cutting it down to what you need for the box. So that's why they had to put this here. And I have to come off the top of the pole for the high voltage lines, not the regular. So if there was a pole closer, I wouldn't have had to have done this. But if you walk up through here, this was all the trenching that had to be done. And I'll walk through here. It was fun trenching through the woods. And I'll throw some video up. From the trenching. I don't have a lot of it. Because I wanted to get all this stuff done. I didn't want to shoot video. I wanted to work. My knees were killing me. I was in and out of the ditch. Pulling that wire, man, that was a trip. Pulling the wire all the way through here. But we're on Bobby's property now. And you come on, you can see the tracks. This stuff you couldn't even see through before, let alone walk through. So we got a lot cleared out for him. And then it keeps coming through here. I hear the wind. And then on down the road. And then across the driveway, it's on through the yard. all the way down to this pole. And what they've done, he kind of mentioned this, that they might replace this pole. And they did. You see they put a new pole up there, but they got to get everything transferred over to the new pole. And that includes, this is my line that they've got to slap up against here and hook all the way up on the high voltage line at the top. So I'm assuming that's where they stopped at. They got the new pole in and they stopped. So hopefully Monday or Tuesday, like I said, they don't communicate very well either. Hopefully Monday or Tuesday they'll be back out here to finish this up. But this is Bobby's spring-fed cistern here, kind of like. And this thing is full of cold, clear water year-round. So it's some kind of an artesian well, maybe. But I see it was cleaning out around it, because we couldn't even see it before. But yeah, that thing's old. That thing has been there a long, long time. And I got a pump that will set on there and hook up to a generator and fill up totes right out of that thing. Heck yeah. That's a good idea. But yeah, I never saw anything built like that before. And they had it plumbed going over to the old house over there. All right, let me walk down the road and get back on my electric now. But that was a lot of trenching. And I said it before, I'll say it again. We got down, you'll see the pictures of the video. We got down to about a foot down. It's all clay. And that crap, you guys have seen Ed's video, the little bunker he's trying to build. That was like digging through concrete. It's amazing. But from these poles here, this pole, all the way down the road, it took a while too, trenching through the forest. Well, there's a caterpillar. There goes a brown caterpillar. We come on down here. Like I said, it was 280 feet. And there I am. There she be. And they wanted it set up like this because they can read the meter from the road here. But yeah, you can see the telephone poles all the way down there. But that's where my electrification is. Tonight it's still going to be solar. It's going to be solar till I get that all fixed. But I will be doing a live stream tonight. So try to get everybody caught up during the live stream. I'll be out here for the night. It's getting a little chilly. I don't have to run the air conditioner. Anyway, that was it. Just was an update on the progress of electric. Now I got to get things going here. I will see everybody tonight at 8 o'clock. I'm out.